In this video, we're talking about why starting a YouTube channel is a brilliant idea for you in 2025, even if no one watches. Yes, even if no one watches, it is a good idea for you to start a YouTube channel in 2025 because number one reason is skills. You get to improve on your creation skill, and you also get to improve on your editing skills, storytelling, communication, how you communicate, your confidence. You get to improve in so many things. So you want to think about this. If you are out there and you are contemplating, you're procrastinating, oh, I want to start a YouTube channel, I don't even think anyone is going to watch it. Just think about what you will benefit, what you're going to benefit from starting a YouTube channel before you get to start thinking about who is going to watch. You're going to benefit a lot in the sense that you're going to benefit in your way of creating content. You just need to start, because if you start creating, you get to improve on your skills of creating. And if you also start creating and you're also out there getting worried, how am I going to start editing my videos and all that? You don't have to worry about that, because as you start to edit, as you play around your editing skills, editing that video that you just finished filming, you get to improve in that editing skill. Even me, when I started, I didn't know how to do all of this. I even don't know how I'm going to start filming my videos, but I just started. And when I started filming, I get to find out that I improve time after time. I get to improve on how I do my videos, I film my videos. I get to improve on a lot of things. Even I get to improve on how I edit my video. So these things will come on time, and you also improve on your way of communication. I can see that now that I have started YouTube, now and then is not the same. The way I talk then is different from the way I talk now, because my confidence skills has improved. So you want to take note of all this. If you are planning to start a YouTube channel, you get to grow yourself. You get to grow in so many skills. So you don't have to be worried about who is going to watch my video, because there are a lot of things you get to benefit from. So don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so already. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and keep on watching, because I'm going to give you more reasons why you need to start a YouTube channel in 2025. It is a very good and brilliant idea for you. Growing here on YouTube is gradual. It is a gradual process. You don't have to be worried about who is going to watch you. If I create my video is going to get 0 view. Growing is a gradual process, in the sense that the views get to grow out of time. You might have 5 views today, but tomorrow your views will increase. With time, the views get to increase. You get to grow gradually here on YouTube. Another thing is you are going to be growing a brand. You need to know that as you start a YouTube channel, you get to grow a brand. Like maybe you're doing something like hair, like I have a hair channel where I upload hair videos. As I am doing those things, growing my hair gradually, and I am getting views from my passion, from me wanting to grow my hair and all that. In the long run, I'm going to grow a brand out of this, in the sense that I might come out with a hair product, with hair product or hair cream, hair something that help me grow my hair, and I'll start selling it, and from there I start making money. So you just have to put this in your mind. Another thing is, here on YouTube, growing is gradual, in the sense that as you get to grow throughout the years, this YouTube, you get to find out that there's something special about it, in the sense that one thing that is called monetization. As you keep creating your content keep getting views, you'll be able to get more subscribers over the years. You grow gradually and you get more subscribers, in the sense that you now grow from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. And when you get to 1,000 subscribers, you are approaching monetization. And as people keep watching your videos out there, you find out that you get more watch time. And as you are getting this watch time, you're going to get like 4,000. So for you to get this monetization, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So with time, as you keep creating content, keep telling your stories out there, you get to reach this monetization goal, and you'll be able to monetize your YouTube channel and you get to be able to make money out of this. So this is a brilliant idea. If you're out there and you want to start a YouTube channel and you're being there procrastinating, you don't have to do that. What you need to do is just start. As I was saying, you get to find out that when you finally get monetized, you now start earning little money here from YouTube. It depends on what you are even doing, what you're passionate about, and what you want to start creating content about. That is how you get to make money. Some people just start and they get to make lots and lots of money, and it also depends on luck. You know, if the algorithm favors you, immediately you get to, like, I can vividly remember that I started an air channel and immediately I get to go viral. And when I go viral, I got to get my watch hour, my everything, my subscribers from that video, and I started earning more money from that channel. So you get to find out that with time, as you keep creating this content, you get to reach that goal of monetization, and you monetize your video, your channel, and you get to start making money, which you're going to have as a side. Here on YouTube, you'll be able to document your life, you'll be able to tell your story, something that you can look up to years to come. Like, you can reflect on it, like, this is how I was back then, this is how I was talking back then. Just like I said before, you'll be able to improve on your communication skills, you'll be able to improve on lots of things, like the way you create your videos, your editing and all that. And you'll be able to document your life journey, even your children. Like, even if you have little babies and you're a mom, you're just a stay-at-home mom, you're not doing anything, you can take YouTube as a side hustle. Start now and have a side hustle where you can get little money from. Not even little money, because there are some people that have made a lot of money here from YouTube. So you can also make more money, you can also make plenty money, small money. But if you're just starting, take YouTube as a passion. Take YouTube as a passion, in the sense that, because that passion is going to keep you going. Because I know a lot of people are also of the opinion that you can take YouTube as a business, but if you come to YouTube and you just focus on that money aspect of it, and you started creating content and you're not making money, you start getting angry, in the sense that, before you know it, you just quit. So get to take it as a passion. Do something that you love. Just start. And starting a YouTube channel is not expensive. If you want to start, you are of no risk or of no financial risk, thinking that when I start this business, because if you take it as a business, this business is going to fail and all that. You don't need too much money to start here on YouTube. I am supposed that you that is watching me, you that is thinking of starting a YouTube channel out there, you must have a phone. And if you have a phone, it's just what you need. Just your phone. Just that smartphone, that is what you need. You don't need to go get expensive gadgets, go get big cameras and all that. Just get a phone that is going to film your videos and is going to be bright and clear enough for viewers to be able to watch. And if you have a phone, you are good to go. You can start your YouTube channel, and you don't have to think and don't have to be worried about who is going to watch my video. You don't have to have that fear, because starting it is a good idea. It is a brilliant idea, because at the long run it is going to pay. So you don't have to be afraid that, okay, you're going to need more money, you're going to buy this, buy that. Because there are some people that are out there, they have this fear, they have this thing that, okay, I need to get a big camera first before I start a YouTube channel. No, you don't have to get a big camera. Just start with your smartphone. You are okay. And an editing app, just look for one free editing app. You don't have to also pay. There are editing apps that you don't need to pay money. Go check on Google and download them and just start. Use your phone and just start. It is a good and brilliant idea for you. Yeah, so if you're watching up to this point and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscription button right now. Subscribe for more uploads. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and help me to share this video for more viewers to see this video. Another thing is that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Okay, so apart from Google, we also have YouTube, which is the second. Google is the first and YouTube is the second. So for you to know that YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, which means a lot of people get to search on YouTube daily. So this is a good idea for you to put your video out there, because if you do that, even if you're not getting the views immediately, but years to come, if your videos are searchable, as people get to search, your videos get to pop and people will watch more of your content, and as the years go, you get to get more views and you also get to make more money from such videos. So YouTube is very, very amazing. You want to start now. Finally, there's no risk of failure, in the sense that you're not afraid to fail because you are using your passion, what you love to do. So you're not afraid that, okay, I'm going to fail because I'm not going to be making money, no one is going to watch, I'm going to fail. No, because if you come with, like, I'm passionate about it, and because I'm passionate about it, I'm not going to get tired of doing this. So over the years, you find out that as you're doing it, you get to get small money from what you love doing. Isn't it a brilliant idea? Isn't it a good idea that something you love doing, you get to get paid for that which you love doing? And in the long run, you never can tell, you might make more money, because I have seen a lot of content creator that has made lots of money, like Maya, Miss Trudy. They have made so much money that they've never thought in their lifetime they will make from this platform called YouTube. So look out there for look at these creators that never thought that they would have. So you out there, you might be one of that person that is lucky, and you start your YouTube channel, before you know, you start making money, like Maya, like Miss Trudy. So don't be don't think of that failure, don't think of the failure, think of the success first. So in essence, starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is a brilliant idea, because you get to grow on so many skills. You get to grow on your content creation skill, you get to grow on the way you communicate, the way you edit, your storytelling, you get to improve on communication, you get to improve on so many things. It gives you that confidence, that aroma. Did I just say aroma? It gives you that confidence, you know. So it makes you feel excited whenever you want to create your content. So that confidence, that joy, that passion keeps you going. So it is actually a brilliant idea for you to start a YouTube channel. So don't wait anymore. Just start now. Yeah, I want to say a big thank you if you watch up to this point. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is absolutely free. Please subscribe by pressing that subscription button there, put it into all, so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and help me to share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.